Hello!
She went on the side instead of in the middle. Her shoe like fell off. So we drove all the way here to... What the hell was that?
Potato fantasy.
Potato fantasy. Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Good morning and welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today I'm with Maitri. If you haven't seen Maitri in a while, well, she's here. Hello.
Hello.
So we stayed in a hotel for one night. Now we're actually changing to a different hotel that's in the center of the town of Uti. And so basically our whole mission today is to just go sightseeing, yeah?
Yeah.
Basically when we're driving on the back of a motorbike or when we're taking a bus to this town, it is so amazing. I want to kind of show you what it's like in this city. Let's go. All right, so here's the room tour. Basically, we looked out the window. We have neighbors across the windows, TV that we'll probably never use, and yeah. Looks like a comfortable bed. We have a... Oh, that turns that on. Here's the bathroom. It's really dark. The lights are very dim. So now basically I'm just going to charge some stuff while we go have breakfast, and then we'll go explore. Thank you. All right, so it's about 11 o'clock. We got a late start, and now we're on our way to a place called Avalanche. I think it's Avalanche Lake, something like that. It's a big, big lake with a unique shape, and it's supposed to be really beautiful. So we're maybe 5 minutes outside of the town of Uti, and it's already super beautiful. It's like villages on the side of mountains, and what I love about it so much is they're like on layers of the mountain, and they're all colorful. Everything is super, super colorful. So we're driving along the side of the road and we see this just amazing village behind me on this hill. So we're gonna go up there. Check out behind me. There's just rolling hills full of tea and other things. I think no, it's not tea. It looks like tea, but it's, I don't know, they're growing vegetables, but everything is so lush green along the brown dirt. It's amazing. Let's go to the top and see the view. We're excited to see you, Maitri. They're like, oh my God, is that Maitri coming? Hello. Village, center, photo.
Drone.
It's very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful. So we came to the top. I don't know if you can see, there's a dog behind me. You could hear him, he wasn't very happy.
Behind you.
Yeah, and he keeps staring at us, and all the kids are like, no, there's a dog, don't go there. So we're gonna go, I think we're gonna go sit over here. So we just flew above and around and beyond. This place is like super, super beautiful. And we're able to communicate a little bit through simple English. Everybody want to say hello? Hello from the village. What is the village name?
Kakanji
What is it?
Kakanji colony.
Kankanji colony. Very good. Kakanji colony. How many houses? How many? You know? 150. 150. So there's about 150 rooms. Maybe you can count them from the YouTube video and then write in the comments. But anyway, that's it. We're going to leave and we're still on our way to Avalanche. Avalanche. We are going to Avalanche Lake, I think. But I wanted to stop here because it looks so cool. So we're going to leave. I sat on that small pole and that really hurt my butt. Anyway, it was fun talking to these people. They invited us for tea, but unfortunately we're running late and we really have to keep going. But anyway, thank you. Okay. Thank you. Enjoy. Goodbye. Anyway, that was fun. What did you think about that experience?
It was super fun.
Yeah.
People were so nice to
Hello.
us. And so much fun flying drone.
Yeah, I think the drone footage just looking on my phone is unbelievably beautiful. This looks like beets. I think they're growing beets here. Lots of beets.
Selfie with him? Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
2, 3, 4.
Bye.
Okay, go backwards. This is funny. I gotta film you. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
She went on the side instead of in the middle, and now.
Help me. Help me.
Yeah, but just go backwards. You have to go in the water and go straight.
Go. Down. Back, come.
Just back. Your feet are gonna get wet.
But
they're barefoot.
Go. You want to do like that? Spin around here.
See? Just go slow. Let's go this way. Very good.
Okay, bye.
Expert. Thank you. Swimming, huh?
No,
Swimming?
No.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Oh my god. So this is one of the big reasons that I love traveling in the middle of nowhere to villages, because villages are so fun. They're so welcoming. Everyone is so happy to see you. I'm guessing almost none of them have ever seen a foreigner in their life. That's probably my guess. Only in like a movie. It's so cool. Have you ever been traveling and every 10 seconds you want to stop because you see something more beautiful than the last place? I think we found another view. Right behind me, this is called Emerald Lake. In fact, we didn't even come here to see that. We're going around it to go to a different place called Avalanche. I think it's a lake. Anyway, yeah, this area is so beautiful. Clouds are starting to get a little bit thicker, which makes me a little nervous because if we get stuck out here in the rain, it's not gonna be fun. So far, so good. The weather forecast for like 7 days is like nothing but rain, so we just don't know what time it's going to rain. So we're cruising along on the mountains, and the higher we go, the cooler it gets. My hands are cold, I'm sure yours are cold also, and I wish I would have brought a sweater, but I think we'll survive. Once night comes, I think we'll freeze to death, yeah? So we have to go home before it gets dark, otherwise, oh my god.
For these views, you should be ready to get cold.
Yeah. We're already getting cold for the views. And we see rain clouds off in the distance and more clouds, so it makes us nervous.
More cold.
Yeah. So unfortunately, everywhere that we go, there's no restaurant. We assumed that there would not be restaurants in these small villages. So we stopped, we had to go a kilometer out of the way to a small shop to get, what did we get? Oh, they put it in a bag.
Biscuits.
Basically, two
No plastic.
little biscuits and chips, potato chips. So that will be our lunch for today. It just started to sprinkle and a little bit of rain, so we're nervous because you can see the clouds behind us. Probably not. Yeah, it's a little bit cloudy. So unfortunately, we have to eat and keep going. We still have like 20 minutes before we're going to get there. Healthy lunch, yeah? Potato chips and chocolate.
Yeah.
We got biscuits,
Dark
dark
fantasy.
fantasy, and
I was going to say potato fantasy.
potato fantasy. But so we drove all the way here to. The hell was that?
Something else is.
So we drove all the way here to Avalanche, and it's closed. The gate is closed. You're not allowed to go in. I guess there's construction. There's construction on the road, and so they said you can't pass. So, yep. I think we're gonna just spend the majority of our day checking out the views and the drive, and stopping in maybe another village. So my tree has a different style all of a sudden. What style is this?
Taliban style.
The Taliban style.
No, just kidding.
So we asked some young kids on the side of the road if we can walk up to the top of this tea mountain. He said yes. Huh? Let's go. Walking. Come. Walking. Okay, let's go. We're going to go up there? Okay. Bike here? Okay, we'll go park there and we'll all walk together. These boys said it's okay if we go to the top of this mountain. We said, hey, come with us. They said no, but now they changed their mind. We want to go to the top because I guess since we can't go to Avalanche, we just quit that and now we're just going to hang out in a village and then call it quits for the day. Because it's so beautiful. Huh?
Channel pere?
Yeah. I will give to you later. No problem. I will write. They said we have to go up these steps. This is the way. This way. Tea. Tea?
Tea.
Which kind? Black tea? Green tea?
Yes.
Which one? Black tea? Green tea?
Two.
Two. Ah, so they have black tea and green tea. Yeah. So which one is this? Black or green?
This is green tea. This is black tea.
Which one? Green, black.
This is green. Is black.
So they said that we have to go this way, up the dirt path. It's a bit of a journey. Definitely going to get our exercise in today.
Me?
Okay, so we went to the top. My tree, her shoe like fell off. So she had to come down with bare feet. So today, it was a little bit depressing because we couldn't go to the place that we wanted to go, which was Avalanche, yeah. So today turned out to be awesome because we just finished at the tea hills. Plus we went to another village. It was fun to meet the village people. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed following us around. Thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out.
Talking!
Yes, take care.